Top 10 Safe Investment Companies for 2024. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you here. Today we're diving into 10 companies that are often considered relatively safe investments for your hard-earned money. Remember, safe is a relative term and can vary based on market conditions and your individual risk tolerance. So let's get started. First up, we've got Apple. What makes them a potentially safe investment? They've cultivated an incredibly loyal customer base and constantly innovate. Beyond that, Apple has diversified its revenue streams, from services like Apple Music to wearables like the Apple Watch. Plus, they're sitting on a mountain of cash, which gives them a lot of flexibility and security. Next, let's talk about Microsoft. They've been a dominant force in the tech industry for decades and have successfully adapted to the changing times. They've transformed themselves into a cloud computing powerhouse with Azure, a major driver of revenue. That's the kind of forward-thinking strategy that makes for a potentially stable investment. Now let's move away from the tech world and talk about Johnson & Johnson. They're the brains behind Band-Aids, Tylenol, and a whole bunch of other healthcare products we use every day. This gives them a broad reach and makes them less susceptible to the ups and downs of any single product or market. It's the kind of company that you can feel relatively good about holding on to for the long haul. Chapter 4. Procter Gamble. The power of brand recognition. Speaking of household names, let's talk about Procter Gamble. Brands like Tide, Crest, and Gillette have been around for decades and have a loyal following. Even when the economy takes a downturn, people still need to buy laundry detergent and toothpaste, making P&G a potentially attractive option for investors seeking stability. Chapter 5. CocaCola, a refreshing dividend play. This is a company with a global footprint and a brand that's recognized around the world. They've been paying dividends for what feels like forever, and they have a long history of raising those dividends. Coca-Cola offers stability and a steady stream of income in today's uncertain market. PepsiCo, more than just soda. They own brands like Gatorade, Quaker Oats, and Frito-Lay. Basically all the snacks you might find yourself craving. This diversification means that PepsiCo isn't overly reliant on any one product or market. This makes them a potentially attractive option for investors looking for a balance of growth and stability. Chapter 7. Walmart. They're the undisputed king of retail, with stores all over the world. Walmart has adapted incredibly well to the rise of online shopping by investing heavily in their e-commerce platform. Plus, people will always need to buy groceries, clothes, and household goods. Chapter 8. Berkshire Hathaway, the Warren Buffett effect. This is the conglomerate run by the legendary investor Warren Buffett, who's basically a walking, talking masterclass in investing. Berkshire Hathaway owns a diverse portfolio of businesses, from insurance companies to railroads to consumer goods companies. Chapter 9. Visa, riding the digital payment wave. They're one of the biggest payment processing networks in the world, processing trillions of dollars in transactions every year. As more transactions happen digitally, Visa is going to continue to benefit. Chapter 10. Abbvie, a pharmaceutical powerhouse. They're known for their blockbuster drug Humira, which is used to treat a variety of autoimmune diseases. But Abbvie is more than just one drug. They have a diverse portfolio of products and a robust pipeline of potential treatments in development. This focus on innovation makes them a potentially attractive option for investors looking for exposure to the healthcare sector. Outro, invest smart, invest safe. So there you have it, folks. 10 companies that are often considered to be relatively safe investments. These companies represent a diverse range of industries, from tech to healthcare to consumer goods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.